Something is going wrong with the PC market, and it's happening faster than most people realize. Some of the biggest names in the hardware builders, GPU brands, even longtime partners are under serious pressure right now. And the reason isn't just graphics cards anymore, it's the memory. According to Jesse Martinez, this situation is nothing like the old GPU shortage. Back then, the issue was mostly limited to GPUs. Memory, storage, multiple components all rising at the same time. Prices aren't just slightly higher, they are doubling, even tripling. That forced companies like Power GPU into survival mode. Smaller warehouses bulk buying hourly and still running out of supply. And here's the bigger problem, customers aren't buying. Even Wallace Santos, with more than 20 years in the industry, says he's never seen anything like this. No clear recovery, not even in the next 2 years. Now look at what's happening to hardware brands. Galax, a company known for pushing GPUs to extreme limits, is shutting down operations after 30 years. They're being absorbed by Palette, and the reason leads back to the same issue. Supply constraints driven by AI demand, and that's the pattern. AI companies are consuming massive amounts of memory, especially GDDR6, which is built for high bandwidth workloads. Meanwhile, everyday systems rely on DDR5, which focuses on low latency and responsiveness. Two very different roles, but now competing for limited supply. So even as consumer demands drops, prices stay high. That's why CPU and motherboard sales are falling, yet nothing is getting cheaper. The market is stuck. Now here's where things take an unexpected turn. Nvidia might be stepping in, but not by launching something new. Instead, they're bringing something back. The RTX 3060 with 12 gigs of VRAM. Yes, a GPU from 2021. Reports suggest production could ramp up again soon, with partners like Asus and MSI preparing for new supply. Why go backwards? Because it uses GDDR6, and right now that matters more than raw performance. It's about availability, keeping something on the shelves and within reach. But here's the strange part. If this card returns near its original price, that says everything about how bad the situation really is. The industry isn't moving forward, it's recycling older hardware just to survive. At the same time, something else is happening quietly and it could reshape everything. Microsoft just introduced a new update through DirectX 12, Shader Model 6.10, and this is bigger than it sounds. For the first time, developers can access AI cores across different GPUs in a more unified way. That means Nvidia's Tensor cores, Intel's XMX, and AMD's Matrix hardware, all becoming easier to use under one system. No more heavy reliance on separate paths for each brand. And that opens the door to something huge: vendor-neutral AI upscaling. Imagine games using the same AI-powered rendering no matter which GPU you own. No lock-in, no brand advantage, just performance. There's more. This update also removes old limits and fast on-chip memory, letting GPUs use more of their internal bandwidth efficiently, less pressure on VRAM, fewer bottlenecks, and smoother performance. But support isn't equal. Older AMD cards are left behind while Nvidia hardware goes farther back. Still, the direction is clear. The PC industry is being squeezed from both sides. AI demand is pulling resources away, consumers are stepping back, and even established companies are starting to disappear. At the same time, software is evolving in ways that could level the playing field completely. So this isn't just a temporary disruption, it's a shift. And what comes next might not look like the PC market we're used to. If you want to stay ahead of changes like this and understand what's really happening behind the scenes in tech, make sure to subscribe and keep watching.